Hi Abdi, so I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. So first off, the good news is there could be another website that'll only do news in Scots, or can only do things in Scots. And that's half a good news. That's one of the things that your news has been after, is to big a market for Scots news. Again, and that's for to do with it, is kind of just test the waters and see if anybody's after reading news in Scots. I am. That's fit why I'm making it. Is I like to read news in Doric. That's again. I was after wanting to find out for the latest science news is in Doric, and that's what I'm doing. My big in your news. So as you can, as I've said for the start, what I'm doing is I'm bigging this data set to train AI. We're Rosetta Stein for Scots. I've got hundreds of articles in English, in Standard Scots, in Northern Scots, and Northern Isles Scots. And I'm a braid Scots speaker. Again, so ilka article is proofread by myself. And again, I has to be as braid as it can be. Again, there's none of this mixed or maxed between English, none of this again too much or again flying instead of fleeing, all that sort of thing. Again, it's all just as braid Scots. That's what I'm trying to do with it. And if anybody spots anything that's wrong with it, you can let me ken about it. Or if you think it's your braid, again if I'm gone your far with anything, just let me ken about it. That's what I'm trying to do. It's trying to be interactive and then at the end of it, will I have something that we can make use of? But aye. So but the bad news is that there's a parody account now for the news. So here watch it. Then I get the parody. It's set up back when she's cried emigrate for some reason I don't ken fit why. She's just got a problem with your news. She's maybe feared that the Scots in it is got a bit of business. But again, Abdiel Kane that Scots written by a human is more valued than Scots scribed by an AI. There's no duty about that. She shouldn't be feared to be Scots coming for AI. And what I'm trying to do with your news is real, is preserving Scots. Because again, I'm feared that Scots is getting diluted with English. Again, a lot of words are getting swapped for English names, again, like much instead of muckle. But it's fair enough. Again, like it's hard to step out of speaking English. It's hard going back to speaking braid Scots the way we used to. It's not an easy thing to do. But there's a lot of words that again we'll mark sicker with your news, or again it's a Scots word, it's not an English word for it. But so just going to the parody account.